A culture of bacteria is growing at an exponential rate, as shown in the table above. At this rate, on which day would the number of bacteria per milliliter reach this number? So this one starts off by telling us this is an exponential function. The quickest way to answer this question is by modeling an exponential regression through Desmos, which I'll show you how to do this in a moment. Let's go ahead and do that actually. So recall in Desmos, you can bring up a table by literally typing the words table, and a table will pop up, and then you populate the table with the values that are given in the question. So I've already done that. Now to create a regression, all you do is click on these dots, drop down to the exponential regression because we're looking at an exponential function from the question. Now this is the equation of that table. So you copy that equation, you paste it here in section 2. From this, we can now look at the table of this graph right here. So I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to select table right here. And now the question was, which x value is going to get us to, let me see, 5.12 times 10 to the power of 8. And the x value is given of 5, 9, 11, and 12. So I'm actually write them down here, 5, 9, 11, and 12. So we'll try those in the table. Let's go ahead and do that on the Desmos side. So we want to see which of those choices gets us to 5.12 times 10 to the 8th. The choices were 5. That doesn't get us there. The other one was 9. Doesn't get us there. What about 11? Doesn't get us there. What about 12? Yeah, this is the number they were asking for, 5.12 times 10 to the power of 8. So we know the answer is D. And here it is, D. Now, point to note, for creating regressions, for most graphs, you need at least 3 points. Thankfully, we had at least 3 points. I know you can do a linear regression with only 2 points, but all other functions, quadratic, exponential, so on and so forth, you need at least 3 points.